Hi guys, hope all of you are safe, hope all of you are doing well. Let us restart our learning activity with the revision of topics that we have learned around 5 or 6 months ago. Particularly in this video, let us concentrate our study on the basics of accounting. Let us understand the difference between manual accounting system and computerized accounting system. We all know what exactly the accounting is. People have been maintaining accounting since ages. But the advancement we have in this modern era is the usage of electronic media in maintaining accounting information or financial transactions. I'm talking about the usage of computers. Let us understand, let us revise, let us discuss what exactly is the difference between manual accounting or traditional accounting system and the computerized accounting system, that is the usage of computers in maintaining financial transactions of any organization. I have listed some important differences here. Let us understand one by one. The first one, in case of manual accounting, it takes large amount of time. Manual bookkeeping is a lengthy process. Hence it takes little extra time in maintaining. Whereas computerized accounting is a quick process. Why? Because most of the transactions or most of the activities are handled by computer itself. It's an automated process. Second difference is that the time consumed in preparing accounting books is more in case of manual accounting, whereas computerized accounting system saves a lot amount of time and effort which is spent generally in data entry. In case of manual accounting, there of course are chances of calculation or humanly errors, whereas in case of computerized accounting, as it is pre-tested or verified, there is no chance of any any calculation error or a mathematical error. In case of manual accounting system, instant and timely information may not be available all the time. Why? Because in case of manual accounting, a person who is operating on it will have to search for the information which is required. Is based on a manual process or a manual search. Whereas in case of computerized accounting system, instant results or instant information is quickly available. Just with a click of a button, we can search, we can find any information which is required at any given point of time. Moving forward, the next difference we have is in case of manual accounting system, we may require the help of or the assistance of more than one person. Whereas in case of computerized accounting system, just a single person using the computer and the software can easily handle large amount of financial information. So we do not require multiple people in case of computerized accounting system. It's a cost saving process. In other terms, in case of manual accounting system, all adjustments have to be carried out manually. Whereas in case of computerized accounting system, computers can manage all the adjustments automatically, because all the softwares used in computerized accounting systems are programmed in such a way to manage all the adjustments according to the financial rules or the policies. The next difference we have is in case of manual accounting system, trial balance is required to make adjustments in accounts. We all know why trial balance is used: to verify the credit and the debit side. Whereas in case of computerized accounting, it is not required to test equality of debits and credits. Hence, in case of computerized accounting, there is no need to maintain trial balance. But of course, trial balance is maintained by the software itself automatically. But as a user, as an operator, you need not maintain trial balance separately in case of computerized accounting. Hence the time is saved. Moving forward, the next difference we have is final financial reports have to be prepared manually, whereas in case of computerized accounting, most of the accounting softwares are designed in such a way that financial statements, once the transactions are entered, are readily available at any point of time. So you need not maintain or you need not prepare final reports in case of computerized accounting software. It is available to you directly and automatically. The only thing that you need to do is to enter the transactions according to the rules. The next difference is there is total involvement of human being in all the phases of accounting without relying on any automatic or mechanical process in case of manual accounting. But in case of computerized accounting, human judgment is required. Understand the difference. It is not about complete human involvement, but a human judgment is required in case of computerized accounting, just to analyze the basic entries, just to analyze the basic information. Even otherwise, interpretation will be done by software itself. Just as a basic note, human judgment is required in case of computerized accounting. The positive note we have in case of manual accounting is, due to versatility in thinking as a human, adjustments in certain cases can be flexible in case of manual accounting. Such a flexibility in thinking is not available in computerized accounting system, as it is a machine. The accountant's knowledge and judgment are frequently required to determine the adjustments that are required at the end of reporting period in case of computerized accounting. In case of manual accounting, error acceptability limit will be less, and the person doing accounting process should be attentive. In case of computerized system, user can be assisted by instant help provided by the software and timely suggestions, and errors can be avoided, invalid entry can be avoided, or rather invalid entry is restricted by the software itself. Soon you try to enter invalid data or information, system will let you know, accounting software will let you know that this is where you people are going wrong, this is where you are going wrong. So entering wrong data is not at all a worry in case of computerized accounting system, whereas in case of manual accounting, it is a major drawback, it is a major problem. Next one we have is, manual accounting process is almost dependent on paper, whereas computerized accounting system, paper is almost eliminated. In case required, and whenever required, you can take print out, otherwise in a digital form, data is always available to you. Due to the last difference is, in case of manual accounting, due to active paper involvement, there always will be a presence of forensic evidence. Paper documents can be misused. Hence, fear of data loss is less. Due to active paper involvement in case of manual accounting, there will be presence of forensic evidence, and data loss will be less as we have evidence, as we have document available on a paper. So this particular point has both the sides of being negative and being positive. Positive is data loss percentage will be less, and the negative side is forensic evidence which can be misused is always on a negative side. In case of computerized accounting, due to lack of forensic evidence such as data available on paper, data loss percentage can be reduced in case of computerized accounting, or theft of data hacking can be avoided. Due to lack of forensic evidence such as paper necessitate active involvement of accounting professionals in the design and maintenance of computerized accounting system. Thank you everyone for listening to me patiently. Have a safe stay safe, stay home, stay safe, all the best. Thank you.